Hi, my name is Rachel and I'm a general dentist here at Trudy Dental in Dún Laoghaire. Composite bonding is a really effective modern treatment that lets us make quite small adjustments to your teeth that have a huge overall impact on the appearance of your smile. What it is a really conservative approach to restoring the aesthetic appearance of your teeth, with no need for any dental drilling or anaesthetic, absolutely nothing. We're essentially layering over your existing tooth with a beautifully colour-matched and polished composite resin. It is such a selective and focused treatment which doesn't affect your natural tooth structure at all. The tooth surface is simply cleaned thoroughly in the preparation, and then a thin layer of composite can be applied directly to the problem area. This technique allows us to brighten your overall smile by covering up small stains or imperfections to repair those slight chips or marks. It is truly transformation dentistry. Over the course of an hour to a 3-hour appointment, witnessing a patient's reaction when they see their dull, broken or worn teeth that have been crafted into a beautiful new white smile, it's an exciting and rewarding part of cosmetic dentistry. It's so important to us that we work with our patients closely on these cosmetic appointments because it's 100% about you getting the smile that's right for you, that gives you what you want and uses techniques and materials that are best suited to your own natural teeth and your overall well-being. We begin every cosmetic journey with a consultation between you and one of our highly skilled cosmetic dentists. And that involves going through examples of our previous work with you, finding out what you like, what you don't want. We can even do a digital smile design process to give you an accurate idea of how your final results will look. Crafting new smiles with composite bondings is highly technical dentistry, but it's also very much about the aesthetic and the creative process. We're revamping your smile with our dental expertise and your input into that final vision to make sure you get a new, fresh smile that you love. The great thing about composite bonding is how low impact it is as an intervention. For such high impact in terms of improvement to the overall look and feel of your teeth, the treatment is long life, but unlike other similarly permanent kinds of restorative dentistry, it's an incredibly gentle, non-invasive technique. No drilling, no changes to your underlying tooth structure. We can use composite layers as subtle standalone touch-ups or as part of a broader treatment plan to fully rejuvenate your smile, all down to what your needs and dental history are. As part of our initial consultation with you, and after your treatment is complete, we'll go through everything with you about how to look after your oral health in the long term, the right home hygiene habits, and the scheduling of checkup and cleaning visits you should be keeping to maintain your cosmetic composites and your natural teeth as well. We're always completely transparent with our treatment fees here at Trudy Dental. There's no surprises or hidden review fees. Your first consultation with us to find out what changes or restorations you need. Our clinical team will always prepare a unique treatment plan for you with a full breakdown of every agreed upon treatment, the timeline for that and the total cost, including breaking down which of our payment plan options best works for you and your needs.